Hookup is connecting all the modules together so we can have completed systems on the platform. Now we are putting them together offshore. And also we have the commissioning part of it. We need to test all the systems so it can be fit for purpose when we are starting the production.
The scale of Mariner is something we haven't seen in the UK continental shelf for many years. We have just now over 700 people offshore at any given day. For the resources that are required to execute all the work, we have a flotel, which is the safe brace.
We need to connect 3,000 cables. We need to install 1,200 pipes. We need to bring out 3,000 tons with loose items to be installed offshore. That is actually a module itself. So it's a big scope.
So here I can give you an example of some of the complexities involved in a hookup and the volume of scaffolding that we have on board. There's high volume of pink steel to be removed. That's temporary steel work that will involve work at height. It will involve hot work A. And on the other side here we have one of the modules that's been lifted on. That's M40 for Mariner. The hookup is about connection. It's connection of pipework, it's connection of cables, it's connection of steel work, and it's the connection of people.
All the work scopes, you've got sim-ups, because there's a lot of people on Mariner doing different work scopes. So we're trying to plan as best we can. It's challenging. I've never been on a project this big, but we're trying and we're getting there.
Our company is a mixed trade, so we've got a mixture of pipe fitters, riggers, platers, as well as the rope access aspect of the job. We need to make sure the weather conditions are good and that we've got our safety teams and our procedures in place there if there's any rescues required.
My tasks daily are the controller work, so activating and deactivating permits, keeping the work parties safe, giving them a safe place to work. We're always offering help to each other and just to make sure that nobody's feeling like they're too busy.
So the guys are installing spools here on a chemical injection skid. It's quite a congested area. There's other work parties working around here. These guys have to resolve that on an hourly, daily basis through good collaboration and communication.
Can you please call the bridge? Sorry.
The weather has been much worse than is actually predicated into the statistic. And the regularity on the flotel in November was close to 50%, and that's actually really bad.
The winter is harsh, and this gangway has limitations. So when the wind picks up, waves picks up, we need to disconnect. On a flotel with 490 men not being able to do what we're supposed to do, that's a challenge, at least when it comes to more than a day or two.
We're roughly producing 1,000 to 1,200 meals a day. It has its challenges because there's a lot of different nationalities on board. In my opinion, it's one of the most important things offshore because good food creates good morale. Good morale creates good productivity, so it's very important that we always produce to the highest level.
The key to success here on Mariner is collaboration, and that comes from everyone pulling in the right direction, standing shoulder to shoulder and executing the work.
We wake up every morning, working hard for Mariner, have a smile and contribute because we need to do this as a team.
Every guy who's here has more or less been handpicked for the role. The enthusiasm these guys show, it creates a great motivational atmosphere to work in, and anyone who's not here wants to be here.
We keep saying that we are one team, one Mariner, one team. We need to stand together to fulfill this very big project.